convincing you to read Colleen Hoover books based off their first sentence. Somebody stabbed you in the neck, young lady. As I sit here with one foot on either side of the ledge, I can't help but think about suicide. I hear the crack of his skull before the splattering of blood reaches me. I wonder what kind of sound it would make if I were to smash this glass against the side of his head. I pass through the hospital doors knowing it'll be the last time.
Oh my God.
Miss for $1, who seems like a terrible person?
Oh my God, I can't say the first person that came to mind.
No, say it.
I guess, no, I can't say it.
Say it!
No, I'd be out of
Say it! The answer is Leah Remini!
Cold bones, yeah, that's my love. She hides away like a ghost. Ooh, does she know that we think the same? Ooh, don't wanna cry, but I'll break that way.
People say you fall in love, but fall is such a sad word when you think about it. Falls are never good. You fall on the ground, you fall behind, you fall to your death. Whoever was the first person to say they fell in love must have already fallen out of it. Otherwise, they'd have called it something much better.
Hold your head.
Middle finger with the 5-stick. Tinted windows when we slide stick. Glock out of Draco. No, I'm round nigga with the slime. Shoot a nigga in his spine. Nigga snitch the cut time. 21. We the Fox 5 gang. Niggas getting whacked. Snitching on mine. Facts. Back it up. 223 gon' make a nigga back it up. 21.